Hey! Hey! Get him out of there. He's going to get killed right there. Right. That rope goes. Going backwards. Oh. Going backwards. Go back. Go back.
Oh, the strap came off. Strap came off.
Mike, stop. Strap.
Okay, now he's got to go backwards. Dude, you're right in. Aw, man, really? This guy. Right?
Put someone in the seat. Someone needs to drive it.
Yeah, you're going to have to get in, turn back out.
Get in the other side.
Who's the driver? Is it his Jeep?
Must be. Yeah, it's John, the kid's getting in.
Oh, that sucks.
He's good. Just hold it.
Look at this hole.
Yeah.
Just got to get to get the wheels straight.
Who put those holes there anyway?
That was a bad spot to put those, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Man, there's some bad planning going on there, man. They weren't expecting these people. You should have
dropped the ball.
They know that these cars are going to get stuck in these holes. What was he doing? Coming up here?